Tami Chin, husband, kids, career, net worth and future unveiled. Yo, what's good? Welcome to a vibrant deep dive into the life of Tami Chin, Jamaica's eclectic dancehall and reggae star. Before we jump in, please smash that subscribe button and hit the bell to stay locked in for more artist profiles. Today, we're uncovering Tami Chin's personal life, career highlights, net worth, and what's next for this dynamic talent. Let's dive in. Born Tammar Anika Chin on June 14, 1983, in Kingston, Jamaica, Tami Chin, now 42, grew up in St. Andrew in a musically rich family. Her father, Richard Chin, Jamaican-Chinese, and mother, Christine, English-African, performed in the Carnations band. Her sister, Tessanne Chin, won The Voice Season 5 in 2013. Tami attended St. Peter and Paul Preparatory School and Campion College, excelling in academics and arts. At 14, she studied performing arts at Leamington Spa, UK, returning to Jamaica at 17 to pursue music, inspired by reggae legends like Bob Marley and her parents' legacy in the industry. Tami is married to reggae/dancehall artist Wayne Mitchell, whom she wed in 2009 at the Ruins, Mona Visitors Lodge, in a star-studded ceremony. Bounty Killer dubbed them dancehall's favorite couple. They have 4 children, sons Jackson, Atlas, and Oz, and daughter Ivy Arrow, born June 16, 2022. Their family life, shared on Instagram at Tami Mitchell, features viral dance videos and candid parenting moments, showcasing their balance of fame and family. Tami's nurturing side shines in her posts about motherhood and mental health advocacy. Her career began as a backup dancer for Shaggy's Caught Red-Handed tour, gaining industry exposure. Signed to Universal Motown in 2005, she released her debut album Out of Many 2006, in Japan, peaking at number 41 on Oricon charts with hits like Hyperventilating and Looky Looky. She collaborated with Sean Paul, Beanie Man, and Lady Saw, and wrote Hypnotico for Jennifer Lopez's 2011 album Love. Nominated for Best New Entertainer at the 2006 International Reggae and World Music Awards, she lost to Mata's Yahoo. Since 2014, Tami has managed Tessanne's career and co-hosts the YouTube channel Tami and Tessanne, 41.5k subscribers, and the podcast Tami Tackles Everything, 33 episodes, discussing parenting, culture, and resilience. Tami's net worth is estimated at $500,000 to $1 million in 2025, from music, YouTube, 6k monthly Spotify listeners, and her 2010 Anuna Goddess fashion collection with Lubica Kucerova, which won a Jamaica Observer Style Award. She and Wayne live modestly in Kingston, prioritizing family. Looking to 2025, Tami is expanding her podcast and YouTube content, potentially releasing new music or fashion lines. Her mental health advocacy and Wayne's 2023 Order of Distinction cement their cultural influence. That's Tami Chin's story. What's your favorite track or moment? Drop it in the comments, and subscribe for more.